Hi everyone, today I'll be making the sweet and savory edition of the viral rice paper croissant. For that I'm grating some zucchinis. In a bowl, I'm combining eggs, some milk and baking powder. Whisk everything well. In a flat uh, plate, just add some spices and salt and dip the rice paper in it and soak it for 5 to 10 seconds according to the package instruction of that specific brand. Then just lay it out on another plate or other flat surface. It does get a bit sticky and messy. And then spread out the grated zucchini on top. I'm using 3 rice papers today. So there's 2 layers of zucchini in between. Cut the rice papers in triangles. It does feel a bit flimsy, so we have to be a bit careful. Then stack the 3 pieces on top of each other. And just roll the rice papers. This forms a croissant shape. I'm setting it aside in a tray and preheating the oven to 350. Now melt some chocolate in the microwave. In a bowl, add milk, some baking powder, and butter. Chop some almonds and keep it ready. Spread the egg mixture on a plate and like before, just dunk the rice paper. And I'm adding a little bit of butter on top too. Spread out the chocolate, melted chocolate. Keep on stacking the rice paper and cut it into triangles. After cutting it, I'm just adding the chopped almonds just to make sure it doesn't fall off when you're rolling. Now stack the triangles on top of each other and fold it up into croissants shape. Now add it to the baking pan along with the zucchini croissant, and you can optionally add the egg wash and bake it at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. So this is the result. The zucchini croissant was a little bit deflated, I think, because I should have used a bit more baking powder. Surprisingly, it does look a little bit like a croissant. So this is the cross section inside. Since it's a rice paper and not bread, it's very chewy on the inside and it looks it too. The taste was okay, but not as good as a croissant.